can't believe my fucking nail broke.
I'm seeing you, one takes it good time. I know you by your phone, so boy, pick up your line.
Hey y'all, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a very chaotic get ready with me. It's going to be rushed, it's going to be out of order, it's going to be a little messy. So right now I'm just installing my wig, so this part is just going to be vibes. You're just going to listen out for the music, and in a few minutes you're going to see me beat my face. So if you want to see the final look, just keep watching.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on ice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on ice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice,
With a I'm so scared of that shit touching my skin, bro. This is the best I could do for this side.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so...
the, whatever this is, the Plouise multifunctional lit cream concentrate moisturizer, something. Milk moisturizer, hydro grip moisturizer. Oh, I got this nose ring, but I don't think it's in right. I should have done this first before I primed. So I'm just gonna use this, the back of this, to like press it down, because I don't have like an eyebrow spatula or whatever. Or I don't know what, if I want to do a gold shimmer, a white shimmer. So let me go find some eyeshadow palettes to play around with. Just gonna put some powder on my brow so it's easier for me, the pencil to glide on. Because my hair is jet black, I'm gonna go with a soft black pencil to outline the bottom outline and do the tail end of my brows.
for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile, we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we
the NYX Lift and Tint. The NYX Lift and Snatched brow pen in the shade Espresso. Conceal the brows, I'm gonna use an oldie but goodie, LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm mixing Fawn with Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 10.
Y'all do not hate me, but I cannot find a clip of me doing my eyeshadow. But luckily, I also have this look filmed on my TikTok, and you can see me doing the eyeshadow there. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok and like my stuff on TikTok.
I'm going to be using the Plouise base in the shade Rumor 2. I'm going to use my Haus Last foundation in the shade, I don't know what shade it's in. Oh no, this is mixed with other product that I use. This Kevyn Acouin concealer is just going to give me more coverage underneath my eye before I go in with my highlighting. This is my... and bring this up towards my... do some cream bronzing / contouring. I might go in with a darker concealer. Gonna take this on my nose as well. This is a perfect shade for my nose, because once I blend it out, it's definitely not too harsh. Just to add to the depthness of this, wipe off the excess. Just add this color. I'm gonna do Too Faced, like literally right in the center of my eye. And then I'm gonna take my One Size concealer and I'm gonna put it in the inner and then the outer. I'm gonna be lazy. So when I'm blending, I'm bringing it closer to my nose just to get a better effect of the contour. like I want to brighten my highlight, but I could brighten my highlight with my powder. So right now I'm gonna quickly set with my Huda Beauty powder, just to set it in place. So this is the H&B bronzer. Just to add some my NARS bronzer. This is the one that gives me more warmth, like the warmth that I'm looking for. Of course my memory card got full, so I ended up just cleaning it up with the Huda Beauty powder. So I'm going to add a blush. Okay, just to add some extra brightness underneath the eyes, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder, and I believe this is honey. I don't remember. Everything will be in the description box. Hey buddy, what's up? I got something that you can. I'm gonna use a smaller, maybe like angled brush, like a thin brush, to do the nose bridge. So I'm gonna dust this powder off of my Fenty Beauty powder foundation. And I also need to help, you know, so the rest of my face. Editing me here. I'm drunk. I didn't get to finish the video.
Where have you been? Nobody